Learning is a social activity. We now know that students learn best when they have the opportunity to listen to others, to share their ideas, and explain and justify their thinking as they build understanding. So why are so many edtech companies working to replace teachers? They talk of adaptive learning and how they can use artificial intelligence to remove the human intelligence that teachers bring to the learning process. What about adaptive teaching? Good teachers will never be replaced by technology. They use digital tools that give them better access to the best activities to meet the diverse needs of their students. The best technology frees up their time so they have more opportunities to generate discussion among learners and to build the valuable relationships that only humans can do. Let's stop trying to use technology to replace teachers. Rather, let's use it to empower teachers to do what they do best. I'm just saying.